a situation over here. I have lost the eyeliner. Okay, let's roll. Hi guys, well, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And in today's video, I have for you these 4 products from Mars Cosmetics. Yes, Mars Cosmetics, and I have the review of them. So to see how I feel about each of these products, let's get into the video. Let's not waste time. Let's go. Okay, so this is the dabba that I have. Of course, it came from Nars, and this is how it looks. And inside it, I have 4 products, and one of them is this eyeliner, which yeah, we'll try. And other than that are these 3 primers. So let's focus on these 3 primers first. So first up we have is, you know, something a lot of people talk about. So this is Nars Hydra Glow Primer. I think that is what it is called, and it is the secret potion for your luminous skin, proactive plus nourishing. And here, let me open it up for you. It's upside down, and wow, this looks like unicorn elixir or something, and this is how it looks. Wow, this is so pretty. Yeah, this is the priming portion, so it has to go first. So on this bare skin of mine that has nothing other than a moisturizer, this is the first step. So let's see how it goes. You know, see, here's the thing, I haven't used it 8 bar B, and this is literally the quantity, which is a good tip of mine. And let's just try it. Yeah, let's try. Wow, it is pretty thick. Let's do it Instagram, okay? Ooh. Oh my god, this smells straight up like Boomer. And oh wow, this is way too sweet and toffee like very chocolatey, caramelly. It is extremely sweet. I've already done my eyebrows, by the way. So it gives you a little bit of glow. Like, this is very healthy glow. Honestly, my skin looks like it is extremely dewy and everything. Let's wait for a minute or two and let's see how it dissolves in the skin. Wow, okay, it literally went in my skin and gives this very sweet natural glow. Wow. I honestly feel like this is something you can use with or without makeup. You know, if you don't want to wear foundation, this on its own wouldn't be bad. I think you can use this on your own without, you know, wearing any makeup, and I think it is very good for that. Also, it is a little tacky, you know. This has a very vitamin C serum from plum ki consistency, goes into the skin, is pretty thick, and look at my hands. Yeah. Next up, I have 2 more things, and one of this is this Mars ka. This is the Mars Illuminati base, right? And this is more like a very clear illuminating base. You know, this is in the shade 2, Pink Bean, and this is how it looks. Let me tell you, Mars and its packaging is touching the skies, and it is literally pink in color. This is how it looks. Let me show you on the hand. Wow. Let's see how illuminating this is. You know, okay, this has a weird white cast to it, and yeah, I mean, it has a lot of shimmer particles in it, and it looks pretty white. I also have the Swiss Beauty Ka Real Makeup base, and if you can see, I have used it quite a lot. You know, you can see I use it almost every day. So let me just compare both of these, because I really like this Swiss Beauty wala as well. Here's the thing, this is a Swiss Beauty wala. It has a very similar reflex to this one. This is a little bit more stark and blinding, and is a little bit white. You know, you can see this is not white, this is pretty, and they both look the same actually. Wow, they look pretty similar. Maybe I've just found the dupe of each other. This one was in the shade Pink Tint, and this is in the shade Pink Beam, and both of them are very similar. Wow, we found a dupe. But honestly, this has a very nice fragrance to it. I don't like Swiss Beauty Wali fragrance. This is something I'm really liking right now. But it is extremely sparkly in my opinion, which isn't bad. But let me take you to another product, third one, which is this Mars Spectra Glow, and this is the Illuminator. Okay, so this is Illuminator, right? This is not a primer, this is actually Illuminator, like a strobe cream, something like that. This is how it looks. Wow, like take 2 minutes for the packaging because this is mind-blowing to me. And this is how it looks. It is again in the shade, it is in the shade Moonlight. And let me take it over here because wahan jagah nahi hai. And this is how it is. Ooh, this is very reflective as well. I like this one better than this. It is pretty illuminating. Let me try a little bit more. Since we are taking a bath in highlighter, why should we wait? Ooh, this is glowy. Wow, can you see? It's pretty. Let me do the foundation and stuff, and then I will use this. Okay, so let's try this Illuminator as well. Now I would have loved it this had like a pump, rather than just having this straight up tube. And ooh, okay, this is pretty shiny and it blended really well. I really like how it just blended. It just looked very stark, but it just blended out. Oh wow, this looks so good. Wow, do you see that natural pretty glow? I mean, with a very dewy foundation and a very non-cakey makeup, a very natural one, dewy natural makeup sort of thing, this would look so pretty. Wow, I wasn't expecting it to be this beautiful. Wow, this applies so much better with warmth of your hands rather than going in with the brush, right? So this is how it looks, blended with my hand. It looks really nice, right? But if you go in with the brush, if you go in with this blender, it doesn't blend that well. So I would say go with your fingers itself, and it is pretty blendable. It is pretty buildable. You see, this is the second layer applied, and this is how brightening it looks. Wow. I am an immediate fan. And the best part is it does not have these weird shimmer particles like that Illuminator, which I clearly am loving for myself. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. It's so good. It's pretty. Last thing we have left from Mars is this Mars ka eyeliner. I did this eye look using SFRK, these 3 brown palettes. Jiska review bhi will be up on my channel super soon. If not up already, just wait for it. Subscribe, or I don't know, subscribe, right? And this is how this eyeliner looks. Okay, so this is how the eyeliner is. It is very similar to wait, this is a Swiss Beauty eyeliner, and these two are identical. And wait, okay, they are extremely identical. My mind is blown at this point. Okay, and honestly, I'm not a fan of the Swiss Beauty one wala, but let's see how Mars works out. And this is how it looks. Oh, this is a super crisp line. Let me apply the eyeliner. Okay, let's just do that. A wing. Okay, so far so good. Just because I didn't like the Swiss Beauty wala eyeliner, and that is extremely similar to this, does not mean कि दोनों की formulation भी same होगी, because obviously Mars has its own labs and Swiss Beauty has its own, right? The tip is pretty flexible, it just gives you a good grip. I don't like the way this liner is going. Wow, am I not loving this wing? Because I absolutely am in love. Okay, you guys, let me complete everything else and I'll be here for the final verdict at the back. So we have tried all the products except for this Illuminati base, and I think I will use this product in some Instagram video. Like, I want to do a separate Instagram review for this particular product. I just feel like I want to do it separately, so we'll do that later. Other than that, this glow primer, that's Hydra glow primer, I really like it. It does give you a very good hydration. It gives your skin this very pretty glow. I mean, it's not extremely glowy, but it does give you a little bit of better than skin sort of glow. And I think it would be really pretty to wear without makeup itself, and for that I think I really like this one. And also, I was reading, it just says it has the goodness of aloe leaves, chamomile, grapeseed, almond and rosehip oil. which it's of course very hydrating. But is it hydrating enough for dry skin people? Of course not. You will have to use moisturizer. It will give you a good hydration, but it won't be sufficient. So that is that. So this is a good product from my end. A good thumbs up with this one. Next up is this Mars Spectra Glow. This is the Illuminator, liquid illuminator, and I am wearing it right now. It has a very subtle glow. You can build it up. It can be really pretty, and I look extra grey today. That is mostly because of the lighting and the clothes that I'm wearing. That's how light is working, because I'm not grey in real life, okay? So this is that, and yeah, I think this is a good product. Can you see this illumination? It's this. I have not used anything else but this, and yeah, I think it's really pretty. Another product that I would say you should totally grab if you want to, and this one was in the shade Moonlight, okay? And the last one was this Mars eyeliner that I clearly don't know where I have lost. I have applied it, okay, and but I don't know, I just kept it somewhere and now I can't find it in all this chaos over here, right? And again, I think sketch eyeliners from the very first go, they work fine, they work well. This was good. I really had a very good crisp wing today, and I really love the eyeliners like that. But sketch eyeliners, they tend to get extremely dry over the time, and yeah, that is something that I will have to watch out. I can't tell you that in the first impression itself, but so far so good. So I think all these products from my end are nice. But just to give you one heads up about this Illuminati base, I think it is extremely shimmery, which is something I'm not absolutely excited about, right? This is the only product that I am a little in the question mark range. Other than that, I think all of these products are really good, right? So yeah, I mean, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll meet you in this video, guys. Bye bye.